let me just give you a quick demonstration of how easy it is to modify one of the pages. Now, as I said before, we encourage people once they get editor access to go in and create a profile page for themselves. So let's go ahead and do that. So if I go in here and click on the people site, you see a list of links here to the profile pages for some of the people who are part of the SIS community. Now, let's say I want to add myself to this list. I'm already on this list, but I will go ahead and add myself again just to show you how it's done. Now, to edit this page or to edit any page on the wiki, all I need to do is just go up to the top here and click on the Edit tab. You can see here that the page changes and gives me a text area where I can see the underlying text and wiki markup for the content that's on that page. Now, I want to add a link to my profile page. Now, how do I do that? Well, what I'm going to do here is I see here this is the list of the people who already have profile pages, and I see here how they've done it. Now, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to look at what they've done and I'm going to copy it. It's relatively straightforward, and this again is a good practice when you're using the wiki. If you're not sure how to format something, if you're not sure how to create a link or a list or a table, a great way to learn is to find a page that has formatting similar to what you want to do and just click the Edit tab and go in and see how they've done it. And you can even cut and paste that code, bring it over to your page that you're working on, paste it in, and then modify it to do what you need it to do. So I'm going to follow that example here, and I'm going to look at the person who is on the list before me, and I see here what I need to do to add myself. So I'm going to add an asterisk here to create a bullet point, put a space. They have two open brackets here for the link. I'm going to type user, and I'm going to put my email address. Now this is the email address that I used to log into the site. They have this pipe character, Ed Bilodeau, and I close it like this, and then I go down and I save the page. And you can see here that the link has been added. Okay, and that's all there is to it. And I click through this, it goes through to my profile page. So that's really all there is to going in and editing content. You know, I could go into my profile page, for example, here and make some additional changes. For example, and now that text is on the page, and that's all there is to it. So that's just a quick overview of the School Information Studies website, the wiki site here. Once you come in, you can see here also, if you click through to Getting Started, there's some information here to help get you started, an overview of the different sections, and also some links here that you might want to read up on, especially this part here, help on how to edit pages and use the wiki. There's some additional links here you might find useful as you are learning some of the additional tags and features of this wiki. So hopefully you found this little overview useful, and I'm looking forward to seeing what contributions you'll make to the SIS Wiki.